hopefully y'all can see. This is where it was before. Put this up here like this, and this is where it's going to be now. So you can see that's a pretty big angle difference. So hopefully y'all can see that on the GoPro. This right here got some 18-inch Riddler. Give it that old school, you know, rally look, like the Krager look. Probably gonna take some decals and put like driven by gears right in here, which will be pretty damn cool. So we're gonna take a quick measurement here on how wide of a tire. So we exactly 12 inches a foot from there. So we could actually do a 12-inch wide tire back here. Still have plenty. As you can see that's 12 inches, so take out about an inch. That's about 12 will be about right back here. Get us some wide meats going. Let's see down here, maybe it's closer. It's a little bit closer down there. So yep, 12 may be pushing the limit. So we'll do a quick little, after I did the shock extenders, what we'll do is I'll hook the GoPro up underneath the axle again here, and we'll go drive it around and you get to see the axle play. I've already recorded it without them, so we'll get to see the difference with the shock extenders and without underneath the truck with it taking all the bumps. Hopefully it works out like I want, because this thing back here on this side is really got going crazy where the other side is real stiff. So stay tuned, watch the video, and you can see the under axle play. Oh shit, the neighbors showed up. Fucking, you tell this guy to start a damn YouTube channel. Look at this, he keeps this shit so clean you can eat off of it. Even in Texas. You better tell him, followers, he needs to start a YouTube channel.
4-bar performance. So that's good now?
Oh, yeah. Alright, so we took the truck out and did a little test drive, and man, it feels like a Cadillac now. You can barely even feel the bumps. So much better by putting the shock extenders on there. As you can see in the previous video, the difference without shock extenders versus shock extenders, and it's a big difference. So anyway, plenty more mods to come for the Pro Touring C1500 pickup build. Make sure and hit the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and until next time, keep it simple